Do you want to add a fade to black or fade to white transition in Canva? Then I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few simple steps. It's really easy to do so, and the first step that we will do is to navigate to canva.com, and we will simply create a new video project on which we want to add the fade to black transition. You will be able to add this transition between your two clips, or you can add this transition at the end of your video. So the first thing that I will do is to add my two videos in the project. I'll add this Eiffel Tower video, which I've downloaded from pexels.com, and I will then right-click on my video and then set it as video background. And I am also going to do that for my other video. Once I have my two videos added in the timeline, I'll first show you how you can add this fade to black transition between these two videos. What we have to do is to add a new page in our project and then make the whole page black. We will do this if we want a fade to black transition. But if you want a fade to white, simply leave the whole page white as it is, and we can continue to the next step. We have to trim this video and make it last around 1 to 2 seconds max, depending on how long you want your transition to last. I'll set this to around 1.5 seconds, and when I do that, all I have to do is to put this black page between my two videos. There is one more thing that we have to do, and that is to add a transition to our black page on both sides. So select the transition option, and then select this Match and Move transition at the left side of our screen. We will do this on both the left and right side of our black page. And when we go and play back the video, you will see that we have a nice-looking fade to black transition between our two videos. If your page was white, you'll get a fade to white transition, and you can also put this black page at the end of your video project, and that will cause your video to fade to black. And that's about it, everyone. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful, and if it was, make sure to leave a comment on this video. Thanks for watching.